How to install Mapthis into your PSP? Well, first of all, click on the link with the termination 825 and scroll down until you'll see Mapthis 0520.rar and click it. So if you are not already member, you have to do your user. If not, just enter it and you will be able to download the file. I already did that, so I don't need this to do this. And this is the first step. Now go to the second link and you will see this page. So here you can see all the instructions you need to do this, and after we found the file of the GPS, now we're going to search for this program. GMDL will let us download any map from almost anywhere in the world. We'll need the file here, F letter, so we'll just click it. And there it is, GMDL 0.4.16b zip. At the bottom, download link, so just click it. And that's it. If you would like to go back, you can read all the instructions that the guys are giving you. So to do this, you need to have a homebrew capable PSP, so you have to have a custom firmware already loaded up into your PSP. This is the first basic step. So one GPS, the Deniscus Mapthis. Here is a link that probably is an older version of the Mapthis program. So the first one I gave you, it is the last version so far. Mapthis eBoot. Probably I didn't do this step, so I will show you later. And finally the GMDL program and PSP card stand, optional. Okay, I have it, so it is really useful. And that's it. So let's close this window and let's see our folders. For example, if you see here, I have the GMDL here and the Mapthis 5.2. Well, now let's see what Mapthis folder have inside. So you will see the folders for the firmware 1 and up, and the firmware 3 and up. Actually I have the 3.9, so this is the one I will use. So I'm going to double click the firmware 3 and up. This is the map viewer I need, so I'm going to drag it out to my desktop, and for the moment I will dismiss this window, and we are going to connect the PSP to the computer. If you go to your PSP folder, you will see your game folder, double click it, and you will see map viewer. So basically if I drag this map viewer into my PSP, that'll be it. So I already did, so I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to show you some things that I already have. For example, if I double click my map viewer, you will see the eBoot, GPS text and some other things, but the folder we would like to be really aware of is maps. So double click maps, and if you see, I have Chicago map and another Chicago map that is the satellite map. And for example, the map viewer, the original map viewer, if I double click it, if I go to maps, it has a New York City map sample. I'm going to close this, unplug your PSP. You will be able to go to my memory stick, and somewhere you will see Mapthis. So just start loading, and if you see right now I don't have my GPS. It doesn't really matter. Anyhow, I can go into the program. So if you see, I have the Chicago map and the Chicago map with the satellite view. So I'm going to enter into the Chicago map, and if you see, you can have different levels of the map. You can find with the POIs some points of importance, so you can call it. Probably I can press start and get to POI, and see, those are my already installed POIs. So for example, this is my friend's road to her job. So you will see all the travel that we have to make, and
slight right ahead.
If you see voices telling you where to turn
Turn ahead,
and go to your destiny, and at the end, yeah, you get your point.
Right,
you get your
turn
destination.
ahead.
Let's get out of here with this select button, and now I'm going to load the Chicago satellite view. Okay, I'm going to turn this off.